Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it and discuss the market for today, Tuesday. So, who's ready? Guys, before we go further, remember our content here only for educational purposes. Welcome, everybody. Welcome to our hunt for today. Today we got Tribe hitting our profit taking around the 172. OBTX still below the resistance. We got TLRY trying to break as well. Lunar pulling back. Yeah, so the number one still Tribe. This one already did the short for our hunters on Discord early on. It was great hunt for today because it hit the 172 before the market opened. Welcome, everybody. Good morning, everybody. So let's see what's going on. Do we got a new unicorn jumping now? We got BOXL. Yeah, this one I don't like. So Tribe is still number one for today because we already hit our profit taken. We got HIHO could be the second one. And now we need to break the current resistance for it around 160. Good morning, Clifton, Sam. Yeah, the market is turning around. We got some action going on here. Tribe Pharmaceutical Company have huge news today regarding announcement of agreement to strengthen capital structure and support growth. So far, so good. We got two buyers over the 120, 140. And now it's getting near the $2. The other one is this stock HIHO doing fantastic. Let's see. We got this stock is planning to acquire 51% of Regent or some stock. Exactly. Q2 revenue falls on reduced motor business. We got another news for TLRY as well. So those the main stocks, and maybe OPTX because it's on the number one gainer list, 40%. TLRY pulled back a lot, maybe now will reverse. Cannabis stock is still have a trouble to reverse. Good morning, Karina. Beyond Meat got hit hard with shorts yesterday, 30% shorted. Let's see, Beyond Meat, yeah, 3% pulled back near the 95 again. So as we said, guys, as a reminder, we got Tribe looking fantastic here. HIHO, the same, have to break at the market open the 164 to have another jump toward almost the $2. So both, yeah, no, HIHO need the $2 and Tribe need the $2 as well. Both Tribe and HIHO currently almost the same price and have a target toward the $2. And almost the gain percentage wise, almost 70% for both. Yeah, I agree with you because short sellers, once they short the stock, they want a drastic drop so they could make easy money. But for Beyond Meat, didn't happen. So I think, yeah, I agree with you. They are frustrated right now. We got 2 minutes left. As we said, guys, Tribe, one of the stock that we traded early on in the pre-market. We already did the short for our hunters. Was good play because it hit the first and the second around level of profit around the 172. The best entry was in the pre-market before our live streaming around 143. And now it is around the 170, nearly around the 170. It need to break this level to go toward almost the $2 for today. Short looking promising so far, looking really promising for a breakout. HIHO is pulling back. OPTX looking all right, is about to squeeze here. And PCLA, I don't trust it that much. IRI, I'm gonna keep it. LAZR, too risky. So yeah, we only have 4 stocks here that look promising. OPTX looking good. It might be better to watch because it's getting near the breakout zone here around $2.86. The market is about to open at any moment, guys. Hit the like button and the way and subscribe because we always go live every day. 30 minutes before the market opens. So let's go. HIHO pulling back. Tribe is about to squeeze here toward the 195. So let's see what's going on. Victor, no, I didn't see IRBT squeeze. Didn't see yet. I will check it out. OBTX, guys, looking fantastic here. So I'm gonna keep OBTX on the list. Yeah, OBTX looking interesting for a breakout. IRBT, I will check this one out. You mean squeeze down, man? IRBT squeeze down, not up. Tribe is about to squeeze up, everybody. We have a nice dip here. We did 10% on this dip. Yeah, we have a rejection around the 170. So we're not ready yet for Tribe. OBTX squeezing up, guys. OBTX. Watch out. OBTX looking fantastic. OBTX, HIHO is reversing as well. Tribe is pulling back down. HIHO looking fantastic as well here. All of them have limit to buy, guys. If you live in Europe, they have limit to buy, all of them, because they are a bit risky to play. Tribe, guys, I think has been halted down, maybe. Let's see. The stock has been halted. BOXL CHR. Yeah, no, it's not halted. False halt. OBTX, guys, looking really fantastic. It is the one because now it's getting near the profit taking and resistant around the $3.16. Looking good. OBTX at the market open. Yeah, OBTX, guys, getting near the $3.16 resistance. So OBTX now number one. HIHO number two. Adjusting support around the $3 something, $3.30. We have a breakout for HIHO. Now there's a resistant and profit taking that we might test around the 164. Tribe disappointed start, guys, because we didn't break the 173. As a reminder, this stock already discussed it before our live streaming and even before this breakout on our Discord and Bitcoin. Once the price was around the 143, and we discussed profit to take around the 150 and 170. We hit this 170 twice and we pulled back. So you see, it's better to take your profits sometimes during the market open or even before the market open. This one we have kind of fake out, guys. We didn't kind of hold the breakout here. Yeah, we didn't hold the breakout, so it pulled back. Now we have to be extremely careful with the current support over the 119 because as we broke this level, this means we flush. Tribe is still going down. The only one that looked great right now is OPTX. The main gainer and squeezer is getting near the $3.16, everybody. Uh-huh, because it was manipulation, brother. CGC, perfect rejection. Uh-huh. Yes, 130. It is a huge support here. If we broke it with me, we might flush down toward the 113. Yeah, watch out. We might continue this flush because 148, we didn't break it. HIHO looking fantastic. We have a nice reversal from the 119. Now 164. If we broke it, is me we gonna squeeze up. Tribe is kind of game over, but the game on is this one, OBTX, guys. Make sure to take profit on OBTX right now because we might get shorted around the 3.18. Tribe is near the support 144. Let us check the top gainer for today. OPTX number one, JFB. You see all the stocks I don't like except for the one that we have on our list. OPTX is number one. Now it's getting rejected. Tribe is holding their ground. DMRC hitting the scan, everybody. DMRC. Yeah, it's flashing down. It's not good. As we said, OPTX guys trying here, but no luck to break this level. The JTAI reversal had great news. I will check. It's pulled back a lot, so it's not good. OPTX is still on the number one list. It had a really good reversal here. Pretty good reversal. Yeah, the main seller is around the 133 for Beyond Meat. We got an interesting pullback, 4% down. Let us discuss why we are pulling back down for Beyond Meat before Christmas, and see if Santa will come early and save Beyond Meat before the end of this year. We're going to discuss one level to confirm if we have Santa or we have whale will buy discounted price for Beyond Meat, for my opinion, because right now it's 4%. Yesterday we pulled back 3%. So we're going to discuss the price action for the end of this year, before the end of this year, because we got only totally 1 week left before the end of this year for this 2025. So before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So let me just show you what's going on here with Beyond Meat. We've got an interesting breakout lately that happened on Friday, last Friday, guys. We got a really good buying pressure from the $1.03 until the 124. However, we got a major seller added their position around the $1.33 here, and the price didn't continue and pulled back very quick on Friday and continued to go down on Monday a little bit, and today more. So what's we gonna do right now? First of all, we have two level left for Beyond Meat to reverse from before the end of this year. The first one is pretty near that we might test pretty soon, which is the 94. For my opinion, if we held here, would be the best case scenario for Beyond Meat to reverse. And the second one is the 80, and this is will be the buying pressure, or the second place where the whale might add their position in order for snatch discounted price for Beyond Meat. Because guys, there's always a seller from above and a buyer from below. And this is how the market works. It's really simple if you think about it. The seller betting that the price will go down, and the buyers, the whales, betting that the price will go up in one condition, which is that today or this dip has been discounted, or it's like make the price pretty cheap or discounted for the investors. So I'm not talking about just the whale, but I'm talking about even investors, traders like you and me, seeing opportunity for a discount and jumping in to buy for a chance to for a reversal and make money on this trade. So we have two levels to confirm this reversal, and once we test this level, guys, we need a huge buying pressure like this candle. Once we test the 94 or the 80 and jump really quick. Let me just show you how much we should jump next time, at least 16%, and the best case scenario is 40%. So let's say 20%, the last, like not the strong scenario, but the squeeze zone, it should be reversal of 40% once we test the 94. 40%, 20% until at least the $1.11 or $1.13. This would be the likely scenario, but the unlikely scenario, or the scenario that we should have a major news and major whale buying, is testing 94 and go toward the 133 in one go or one day, which will give us 40% reversal, and the best case scenario is 80% reversal, nearly around the $2. So let me know, guys, in the comment section below. Are we gonna have a reversal like what happened before here on the November? We might have it at the end of December, because the last jump that happened, it was at the end of November. So we might have the same reaction, or the same whale who bought Beyond Meat at the end of November last month. We might have it coming in, adding the position again at the end of December. Let's see what's gonna happen, because the end of this year is pretty near, and tomorrow the market will be half closed, so the volatility will drop. Maybe we see this by the next week on Monday, because next week we have just 2 days, on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday maybe will be the New Year's Eve. So yeah, we have just few days left in total, less even than 1 week, to have this reaction before the end of this year. Well, yeah, exactly, Karina. Exactly. Yeah, OPTX, it was fantastic. OBTX, guys, hit our level of resistance. It hit our last level of resistance right now. What a nice trade. Make sure to take profit on OBTX, because I will make sure to take a little bit profit right now on OBTX, because now time for a pullback. OBTX, guys, it pulling back big time now, after hitting our profit taking levels, around almost the, yeah, the 33, or yeah, $3.43. As a reminder, guys, OBTX best entry was here on our Discord. We discussed this entry before the price jumped around the 170 and 195. As you can see here, we have the 195 and 170, and we hit wait a second, this one for OBTX, yeah, OBTX, here we did the OBTX best entry was around the $2.86. So today we did two trade, really good trade. The best one was Tribe, which hit the 170, then flushed down, and the other one was OBTX. The best entry was around the 8 or $2.86, and $3.11, $3.44. It was second profit taken for OBTX. And now we have a little bit of pullback, because we hit a major level of resistance. So I suggest for taking profit for OBTX right now, because we might have a pullback for it for today. So watch out for this level of reaction, guys. Let's see. Yeah, we have a huge jump right now again for OBTX. $3.43. It is a huge resistance. So yeah, it's better to take profit on OBTX right now, guys. It's better to take a little bit profit for OBTX, because we might have a pullback big time. $3.43, we already hit it. HIHO didn't break the resistance, so now it's pulling back. Tribe is still pulling back. OBTX is number one. I'm gonna adjust the support now around the $2.90. Yes, OBTX is the one for the record for today. HYMC. I will check. HYMC looking fantastic. Nope. Is light on volume, not good. Not good, my brother and sister. Not good. Let us see. trading halt for today again. We got MANS, we got MAMO, DMRC, Voxel, not my cup of tea. So yeah, I'm gonna keep OBTX, the one to watch for today. OBTX, guys. Beyond Meat is still pulling back. TLRY, SMX. Whoa, SMX is game over here. What else? DJT start to reverse. Rocket Lab, still strong. We have a huge reversal. MBY pulling back. VIVK, not good. CMCT, not good. CETX flushing down. Lunar, a huge reversal for Lunar. LAZR, as we said, is too dangerous here, below the 22. IRE, not good for today. So yeah, this is leave us with OBTX. Only OBTX that look great. The rest is maybe. HIHO would be good if we broke the 164, but not now. But yeah, the strongest for today is OBTX. Maybe QBTS, we'll see. QBTS, this humongous jump lately, and now it's trying to reverse up. Yes, still strong. It reversed quickly, as you see here. We have a humongous buyer over the 30. How much we did? We did 4% reversal. Crazy work. Yeah, QBTS is still okay. Thank you for the reminder. Still strong, still alive. But yeah, the candidate for today is OBTX, guys. OBTX is the main event for today. And of course, it was the main event for today on our Discord. As you see, the best entry was around the 179 before the market open. It was a fantastic entry for our traders on Discord and Patreon. As a reminder, guys, we always do update before the market open by 2 hours, 1 hour for the best entry for mini stocks. Because usually when the market open, like the example for Tribe, hitting the 170, then didn't recover, it pulled back toward the 125. The link comes actually below, guys, to our Discord and Patreon. For now, OBTX is still the one to watch for another breakout. PL, you see OBTX is pulling back now. Planet Lab, yes, this one. Nothing much, man. Is not main gainer. There's no news for today for it. It is, yeah, after the good earnings lately on 10th of December, now is at all-time high, so it's too risky to buy here. As long as we hold the 1640 will be great to watch, but it's too risky to play. Yes, too overextended. OBTX currently holding, everybody currently holding, and now is pulling back after hitting the profit tick in the 340. Time for a pullback. CGC hard working with 130. Yeah, volume is very low. CGC, yeah, it's kind of dipped a little bit, so it's too risky to play. OBTX, finally, we have a pullback. HIHO, I think, is reversing from the support 119. Not bad for a reversal right now for HIHO. Let's see the top gainer list. ASTI, we have a comer here. jumped but on low volume. Yeah, I don't like ASTI. Yes, too risky. I think it's halted right now. It's halted up. Let me just double check if ASTI is halted. Yeah, ASTI is halted with reason code LUDP. Too risky play. Too risky for me to trade this one. Interesting. Ivory charts, I think is on my list here. I took it from the list. Yeah, we got a really interesting chart for Ivory. Anyway, guys, this is it for now. We have to do major update for OBTX and the other stocks later on, where you guessed it, of course, on the unicorn hunt at our Discord. So stay tuned for major update for the market later on. And in the meantime, see you back by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open as usual. Thank you for watching and see you all back by tomorrow.